Good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is July 30 and it's Monday, the first trading day of this week. We haven't do the review for a while. I mean, last 10 days or so, because we take a little bit, break to reset ourselves, our mind. Here's our journey so far with Top Step. Right. First, we take a challenge right there, 50,000 challenge. We pass this after 2 attempts. Then we got funded. We're so excited, and actually we're so excited. So we decided to blow it up after 4 days of trading, and actually all 4 days all 4 of them is last day. So that happened on June 9, 24. So we start in May and then we blow up in June. Then we check the 150k challenge, and our performance is very stable. We pass after 2 attempts, right? So you see it's stable right there. And then right here we make a progress, The first one we blow up after 4 days, and all 4 days, lost, right? But the second time around, we make profit. Exactly, we make about 4,616 profits right there. After 9 days, right? I think 9 days. 9 days, exactly, we make that. And the Top Step have a requirement that after 9 days, you can increase to 15 contract if you make profit more than that. And that is where we make mistake. We say, wow, now we have 15 contract. Phew, that make big profits. But it turned out that we picked a wrong day and a wrong time to increase a size. That's it. And we blow up on 2 days. Actually, they limit, right? And that after you make profits of this profits, they want you to keep all. They don't allow you. They move the max loss limits to this amount. So basically, whatever profits we make, they wanted to keep it all. So a little bit challenge right there, and it's our first try. First try in the sense of the 150. So we just give ourselves room to make errors, room to make mistakes, so we can learn. So we should not, beat ourselves up with this incident at all. We have to treat every failure or every error, mistake we make is a step closer to the victory, to the success. So this is a journey. Don't let the current outcome, bother us. We have to remain unbothered. We have to reset our mind. Don't let the failure stop us. That's the difference between successful trader and not successful trader. Is that the failure? That's it. If we let the failure stop us, then we're done. But if we don't let it stop us, then we're marching on. We become unstoppable right there. So we should not let failure stop us. So with that in mind, we start a new challenge. We choose the day, which is today. The beautiful day today, so we choose July 31st is a beautiful day, so we choose because this week it's gonna be huge. This week is gonna be if we look at the calendar this week, you just start tomorrow. We're gonna have FOMC meeting around 2 p.m. So we're gonna review to see how it moved in the past. And then on Friday we have non-farm payroll. So that's the reason why we decided to open the new account again on July 30, which is today. Beautiful day. So that's a recap of where we are on our journey right there. It's a beautiful journey we started, and we will never stop. Nothing stops us. Nothing. Failure will not stop us. Then who else can stop us? So we continue to march on. That's it. The mindset that we cultivate. We will moving on. We will continue march on right there. All right, for today we just do a paper. We just do practice account for today. So we make a little bit profit right there, above 200. Right? For top step, in order to count a winning day, the profits have to be above 200. So for today, we learn a little lesson for today. So let's look at the trade we take for today. Okay, let's trick. Okay, here's our game plan for this trade. We may take only 2 trades. Let's try it out. 2 trades. Right, we take 2 trades, and each of them gonna be 4,500. Because the target is 9,000. So if we had 2 trades like that, we good. That's our game plan. We're not gonna take much trade. We decide this time we only trade 2 trades. 2 trades to passes. So we're gonna aim for tomorrow or Thursday or Friday, either way. And then we come back on what? The rest if we just trade practice account. We're gonna come back on CBI data. CBI always is gonna be a mid-month right there. You see right here, the next CBI data release is August 14. So August 14, right? August 14th, right here. So it's the second Wednesday of the month right there. So basically this Friday we have a non-farm payroll, and tomorrow Wednesday we have a FOMC meeting. So basically this week is the last week of July and the first week of August. So it's overlap right there. It's very funny to trade that way. But that is the reality right there. By the way, we are in week 31, and a lot of earnings report come out. Right. So today we have the Microsoft, and I think August the 1st, August the 1st, which is tomorrow, or the 2nd, something is the Apple. So Microsoft beat the earning. They beat it, the earning, but somehow it come down. But let's see, the down move could be a manipulation move right there. So if we look at the chart, we see this down move can be a manipulation move. You see that? It's just what it do right here is that rate It's right the low right there, or the so-called sell liquidity. Yeah. So the low of this is 41, 41. Yes, so it's right this sell liquidity beautifully right there. But if we look on the daily time frame, it not rate this one. Yes, you see that. So maybe it decided not to go there. The reason it decided not to go there is because of the gap. We already have the gap, so maybe it not needed to go there. Well, if we look on a daily, you can see that it's the huge gap right here, and it decided to fill the gap right there. You see that? It filled the gap. It filled the gap. By the way, today is close below this level. It makes sense. So it's gonna reverse. So you see the pattern right there? Right. You see it's break and what? It's a second laid down right here. Right, it's break, test from above, reverse, test from below, and then it break. And it close below that. Perfect. This down move could be complete and finished. Now it's gonna reverse to go up. That is a scenario that we anticipate right there. I mean, it can make another down move right here. We have to look how it behave again this level. This key level right here is 54.62. 54.62. Let's see. Yes, so around here, 54.62. If we break the level and take the level, then we can expect a rally from the opening at 18. Right, the market can open at 18. Into the London.
The markets are open.
Yeah, you see that? It's just the market open now. So it's 18 right there. So let's see how we can trade now if we want to, because that's where. So basically you have what? You have right here, break, reverse right there. So this one's supposed to what? Yes. So you have break, reverse. This one, let's see the one how it behave. Again, this level and the down here level. Anyhow, let's take a look at the very first trade we make. So before right here, we see when it go in at 9:30 right there. We're thinking about short right here. You see the level right there, test from above and break it. And that's how we construct our first trade. And if we look at the daily, it makes sense right here. You see that? It's break the level, test from above. Surely it's gonna break that level. And surely it's gonna reach that level. With that in mind, here's our first trade. Alright, here's our first trade. Alright, we're coming a little bit late. We're going late. So this already passed that level. So we come late. And one of the rules, if we come late, then we have to take profits when it's possible. And you see that at one point we have a good profits. At one point we have above 200 right there. So we should take the profits. But we didn't. We wanted to reach 200. So I mean 300, and you see that it says it's fluctuate, and we decided, all right, let's do break even and get out. And we move to break even, and then yes, we got an even trade for that. It's a break even trade. We lost on the commission right there, but I don't know why commission jumped onto that. But that is another story. So it's a break even trade right there. Yeah, let's give it a break even. So it's a break even trade. So that's our first trade. I mean, it's a perfect trade right there, but you see right there, we should let it run. You see, if we let it run, we have a huge profits. Here's another, right here, you put a buy stop, the sell stop in here at big level. Because we use the 930 of the range right there. So let's see. And just remind that this is above the opening range, weekly opening range right there, which is this spot right there. Ooh. This gives us a confirmation on the daily time frame. $55, $13.50. Yeah, that's the 830 right there. And this is the 10. Yeah, if we go in at that level, we be good. We go late, so whenever we go late, when it pull back, it always give us a nerve breaking moment, and we get our trade right there. So that's one operation. We need to have conviction. In order to have conviction, we need to have a trade idea, not just chase them or feel like a mixing out. So we come a little bit late for that trade right there. So this is one of the trade idea, even though it's not. Yeah, based on this. Based on daily time frame, we have a setup right. That's the 930. So right here, what's up right there? Yeah, the low of this 32, 33. So it's about 1 pip above this. Oh wow, you see that? Wow, look at that. It breaks the level right away. So this is a manipulation move right there. We can go in and buy now. Do a live trading right there. But anyway, we still have opportunity. Okay, let's finish our review right here. So basically, we see the rejection right there. Then we can put a buy stop in here, because based on this, it's gonna fail right there. It's gonna go down, break the level, and retest this level. So that's the whole idea right there. So it's a 4 breakout at that level. 4 at rally level, we do have, break test from above. It do. You see this above right there. Exactly. Well, what's the close of it level? Oh, 1375. Okay. 1375. Yeah, we can do that level. Oh, how about this level? High Okay, 50 exactly. Yes, so this is the level. Of this candle. See that? 1350. So basically we have what? It's a 4 breakout. Break, test from above, test above twice. Oh, now we see. So it's a 4 breakout. I mean, if you look at the confirmation on the 4 breakout on both right there. 4 breakout on the daily time frame and on how it's manifests on a 150-minute time frame right there. Yep. Yes, basically we have right there. Remember, we have a break. We have retest. And then we have the reverse for breakout. The same right here on the hour. Same right here on daily time frame. Yep. And then we have a reverse. So just the same setup. So basically we have what? We have step 1, which is break. And then step 2, we have a retest from above. In this case, 2 times. And step 3, we have a reverse. Yeah, it's the type 1 right there. So it's a 4 breakout at 55, 1350. And this one to be a reverse type 1. Well, what's the reverse type 1? The reverse type 1 only have 3 steps. First, it break that level first, and then it's retest that level, either from above or below. In this case, short, so it's from above, and then it's gonna reverse. Sometimes we have the retest only 1 time. In this case, have 2 times, so it's very high quality setup right there. This, and we do have a huge, we know that is the buy side pretty swift on step number 2 right there. Step, you see the buy side right there. So the same right here. You have break, then you have the retest. On the daily time frame, the retest only 1 time. All right, so that's different right there. But if 1 time, then we just not put a no in there. But if it more than 1 time, then we can put a no, because it's very significant. If it's more than 1 time, and then it's reverse. That's it. So we have a synchronicity right here between the daily time frame and the 50-minute time frame. Beautifully synchronicity right there. Beautifully. Let's save it into our playbook. And we call this a 4 breakout at the level of 55, 13, 50. And it's a reversal type 1, which is very common. Break, and then retest, then reverse. That's it. That's the signature and the hallmark of a 4 breakout. We do have the same setup yesterday. Let's take a look at yesterday. Yesterday we did have a similar setup right there. Right here. Yesterday we have similar setup. And it happened around 11:30. You see the level right there? 54.95. It break it. It retests twice, right? 1, 2, boom. Reverse. So this curve setup is every day. So just be patient and wait for this. Don't jump the gun too early or too late for that matter. If we miss the trade, then just wait. Otherwise, you know, like the first trade, we go come late and we curve get rattled when it's go against. Otherwise, if we stay in the trade, we're gonna have a huge victory, a big win for us today right there. But anyway, this setup we see everywhere. And by the way, the red bar right here is the opening of the wick right there. And today we see the same as the opening of the wick right there is around. If above level, then beautifully we can short them very very high quality setup. Because it's just a very early of the week, so whenever you see above the opening, you can short them, and if below, then we can buy them, and that's an idea. You can see that right now, it's gonna rally. You see that a huge rally right there. We believe that it's gonna go back here, and maybe around here for tomorrow also. So you see the huge move right there. So this is just manipulation move right there. If we look on the daily right here, so it just manipulate this one and boom, it's gonna reverse. Yes, it's gonna reverse from here. It's gonna hit the level for sure. Look at that. All right, so that is our first trade right there. We get out too early. Okay, now look at the second trade we take. What is the second trade we take? All right, here the second trade we take right here. So the idea is that the idea is right. Let's see. So we long, basically we buy right there. You see that the level 54.62 break, retest from below, then it's gonna be what? It's gonna be reverse. But here's the detail we need to here the detail we need to pay attention. In order for reverse to be working, we want it to be fast and furious right there. That is the hallmark of this kind of setup. If you don't see a reverse in a fast and furious manner, then you better scratch the trade, get out. That's exactly happened. See that? That is not a fast furious right there. and then now we should give us some idea. Oh, we thought, oh, good, but then it's not materialized. We should get out right now, right there, but we kind of feel like reluctant. But that's the lesson we need to learn. In order for us setup work well, the reverse have to be fast and furious. Otherwise, it invalidates our setup. Otherwise, we have to wait for the next setup. Same right here. This have to be go with that momentum. Otherwise, scrap the trade and get out. And we didn't get out, so that's the reason why we paid the peak price right there. So we take a lot right there, a 5-point loss right there. So that is our second trade right there. Yeah, in order for this work, break, test from below, and then boom, the reverse has to be very, very fast. We're going to see this signature in the later trade setup. Okay, that's our second trade right there. Let's look at the last trade we take, which is exactly this one. Same this setup right there. So whenever we see that it not materialize, then we have to thinking about a short setup right away. And here's the short setup when that fell. You see that level 54.29 right there. So basically have break, reverse, and this 2.5 is just optional, and then you have break again. So this is the real breakout, not full breakout. It's real breakout at that level. That's the second leg out right there. So whenever we want to see if a second leg down or next leg down, you're going to see the reverse. And maybe sometime you see the break, reverse, and then break again. Sometimes you can see the test from above or test from below right here. If you have this signature, then it's a very high quality, and exactly it happened. But the trick that you have to get out, because this is gonna be another setup reverse right here. So it's gonna be 4 breakout level. And that exactly the last trade we took right here. Look at the last trade we take right here. So we know that right here it create a it's supposed to be a 4 breakout, but it turned out to be a real breakout. Then this leg gonna be reversed. That's what we saw, because we saw that movie before, so we know. We go and buy right away. And then we keep adding. You see that we add more. We add 4 contract right away. You see that, keep adding, add 5 contract, and we stop right there. Boom. So if we let it run right there, we put a target very reasonable. But however, we want to implement something new, which is we want to be pyramids, but we want to take the profits, take 4 contract off. You see right there? So basically we want to take the profits. Want to try it out. So we sell 3 contract right away. You see that? We sell 3 right away. See right there? So we're going to take early profits. So the idea that we want that if we are if we were wrong, we still make profits. If we were wrong, that's the idea right there. If we were right, we will make more profits. So that's an idea. We take all 4 of them, take profits, then we leave 1 contract, let it run. However, right here we feel like we need to get out. So yes, we make a little bit error right there. We should let it run. The reason why, because we want just to make a winning day, so we decide to do that. So it's okay. But if we let it run, you look at this huge run right here. You see this? The run right there. We check a little bit earlier here, right? If we let it run, how many are gonna make more? Look at that, all the way here. I mean, our original target right here, we got 4,000 there, but if we let it run, we had another 4R right there. So that's the beauty right there. Anyway, we run out of time. We thank you for your time and interest. We're only grateful for the opportunity. We do what we love, and success come our way. Bye for now and have a great evening.